Okay, got the heads all cleaned up, the valves, all springs, collars. I'm ready to put those together. So these are the cylinders. These bores are way finer than I do nowadays. These were done a long time ago, like a decade ago at least. And a lot rougher finishes now. Holds the oil better. So supposedly we're running 50 over pistons, I'm guessing. Here's the what's here. So I gotta measure my clearance and see where we're at. See what I want to do about roughening up the bore a little bit without making the cylinder bigger. That's the problem. Rough cylinder makes things rough. We already got the plateau finish, you just need to roughen it. It's kind of a hard mix to fix. But I'm up for the game. Try it. Okay, that's way far out there. Down far enough. No. Make it that far. You'll make it to 3.5. You can put in a 3-inch. Yep. Ah. Ooh, that hurt. Thumb does not like being used. There we go. Tick smaller, or bigger, I mean, 1/10 or so. Piston with 2 pins, clips. This with 2 pins and 2 clips. There you go. Looks like it's set. Pretty much the same. Yeah, the same. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3 and a half. Those are different. Those are way different. Like, not even close. Okay. $10 over, not 50. Big difference. That's like not even close. We're supposed to fit in that hole. That's why you check what's going on. Those are 50 over. Those are not. So I'm going to find me some pistons now. What a difference. Missed it by that much. 40 thou. 308. $203. And that one. $207 on the big side. So yep. Tight 10. The calipers are not accurate for doing bores. So I use mics. Okay, I'm going to go find me some 10 over pistons.